And some food, buddy. Hey, thank you for your song. See, this is outside my window. Oh, what do you want, sir? Hey, you want some food too? Just fly in. Is this like Macca's? Drive-in service, you reckon? Yeah, you little dork. Okay, I'll go get you some food. I get some food, you just watch my phone for me. Make sure the crows don't steal it. Okay? Yes, I'm getting your food too. Hey, you little bugger, I missed you running. It's so cute when you run. How many of your kids? It's adorable. I'm here already. You get grumpy and you're hearing rah, rah, rah. It's like, come on. Hey, now you're singing. Where's me food? Papa, supper. Can I please have supper, Papa? What? Who's that? Someone you didn't like? Yeah, that's a weird girl. She doesn't eat out my hand. She's very skittish. Maybe she's a new member. Yeah. What's that crow saying to you? How you're so interested in life. I love the way they talk. The babies in the morning, mate, like little chuffs. They chuff to each other. You don't like dirt in your food, neither do I. Dirt or hair. Yeah, you got your food. You're snubbing me off now. That's okay, mate. You want some more? Yeah, there's so many of you crows, I've had to resort to giving you dog biscuits every so often instead. This costs so much in meat and vitamins and minerals and the warmer of food, it costs a fortune. Hey mate, just for your mince is $20 every second day. And then your warmer of food that you have to mix with it is $30, but that'll at least last 2 weeks. Otherwise, you'll give their babies deformities. So you really have to feed them the right stuff if you're going to feed them. Dog food has a lot of the right minerals in it. Well, it keeps your dog alive. That crow's so skittish. I've been doing this for, I don't know, a year, something. It's the closest he's ever got to me. I love the way the adults have white eyes and the babies have brown. They're so glaringly white. Here mate, it doesn't fly off. Yeah, too many people pick on you. Look at that baby got down there. He flew in with a stick or something, a straw. There's another baby down there causing chaos. Yeah, look at you mate, I'm looking for any food the magpies dropped. Oh, you found some nibblies? Yeah. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, thank you. Sure your mum doesn't steal it off you, or your brother. Whoever it is, your cousin. Want some food, mate? You fly off. Hey? Look at that baby down there on the rock. They make a mess down in that corner. They take all that rubbish down there and pile it up. They're getting spray off the sprinkler. Yes, I'll feed you cockies soon. I walked down there, I'll scare them off and they're trying to have some food. There's only one of you here at the moment. If I feed the cockies too early, all the pigeons come down. Anyway, have a great afternoon. Alright, a nice peaceful one today. Nice Sunday. Weather's finally cooled down, it's below 40. It's about 30 out at the moment. It's just tolerable. The breeze has lost that fresh out of an oven feel. Just. They finished all those eggs, there's a big pile of them down there. Oh well. I'm sure you're bored enough. Right, just sit in, finish watching these by myself. See ya.